Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to generate and retrieve Instagram access tokens. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook Meta for Developers account. Next, click the My Apps button at the top, and on the next screen, hit the Create App button. In the App Details step, enter your app name and app contact email. Click on the Next button. From the Use Cases step, select the Other option and proceed to the next stage. Then, choose Business as the app type. Moving on, check the app details and then hit the Create App button. Enter your Facebook password and click on the Submit button. It's time to add products to your app. Hit the Setup button for Instagram. In the following screen, tap on the roles from the left sidebar. Then click Add People. A pop-up will appear where you need to choose Instagram Tester. For example, we selected our own Instagram profile. Use the search bar to select the Instagram account for which you want to retrieve the access token and add it as a tester. Then click Apps and Websites. Navigate to the tester invitations. Click Accept. After that, go to API Setup with Instagram Login from the left menu bar. Now, click on the Generate Token button under the Access Token column. Log in to Instagram again. Your app will once again request additional access permissions, which you should grant by clicking the Allow button. The access token will appear in a pop-up window. Accept the terms and then click on the Copy button to collect the access token. This is how easily you can generate Instagram access tokens and be ready to embed with your WordPress website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All the best.